Thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. First of all, I want to say thank you for all the support that you've given me over these past 10 months. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, the bottom has fell out on the big boys on Wall Street, and I love it. First of all, the big guys on Wall Street has been beating up on the small investors for a long time now. And now I think turnabout is fair play, and I am happy with what I see. All the big guys tried to short sell GameStop, and they wanted to drive it down so low that they would actually drive it in the ground until the company went bankrupt. But then here comes the small investors buying up all of GameStop shares at a crazy low price because the big guys was trying to drive it into the ground. Well, they bought it at this crazy low price, and it backfired on the big boys. It backfired in their face. So the small investors forced the big boys to buy back all the stock at a higher price before the stock went any higher. A lot of people made money. Small investors made money. The big investors on Wall Street lost money. The big boys like Robinhood didn't like this, so they restricted any and all activities for GameStop. Y'all, you see the power of social media here. All the people that hangs out over on Reddit, they got together and said, hey, let's go buy some GameStop. It's really low right now. And it's probably mostly gamers that bought it. They said, let's go buy up this stock. It's really low right now. So they went and bought a bunch of the worthless stock. The big boys could not believe this was happening. So they started restricting sales because they was pissed that they was losing money. I love this. The little guys are, I love what the little guys are doing. But y'all, please, if you're investing like this, if you're a little guy and you're investing, take as much money off the table that you can before this all goes bad. And it will go bad eventually. And you stand to lose everything. So take as much money off the table soon as possible. I feel Robinhood is going to soon be sued by everyone for closing down trading and making people lose money, when all they had to do was raise the margins and make it cost more to get in. You'd have to buy more shares to get in, and only the rich people could do it then. But as it was easy for the small guy to get in. So now the future of Robinhood don't look too good, because they're going to get sued by everyone. Okay, so now my advice is, if you're going to play the stock market, only invest what you can afford to lose. And then if you do win, pull your original investment out, put it in your pocket, and play with their money. Play with the house money, the winnings. Just like if you was going to the casino, you put so much in the machines. Once you win, you put your original money in this pocket and put their money in this pocket, and you only play with this pocket. Do the same thing with the stock market. Then when you lose, you won't lose everything you got. You'll only lose the house's money. Okay, now I'm going to talk just a little bit about stimulus. I know you're all adults and you don't need my advice on stimulus. But if you are depending on a stimulus check, if you're depending on unemployment to make your family survive, please don't put this money into the stock market. If you want to play the stock market, Get out and find a hustle or something to make some extra money. Don't put the stimulus money in the stock market. Don't put your unemployment in the stock market. Your family needs that. And the chances of you losing are greater than chances of you winning. I just don't want your family to have to suffer. The stock market is a tricky game, and they've got it rigged that the small person does not win very much. Y'all, I really love what the small people is doing here. It just shows that if the small people gets together enough, they can make things happen. Now the Robinhood thing is gone, but the thing you could do if you want to do something like this, and I'm not advising it, you could hang out on Reddit, get into the forums, get into the chat rooms, and see what people are talking about. You don't have to engage in the conversation. Just see what they're talking about. What's the next big thing that they're going to invest in? And then you beat them to it and you go invest. Don't wait until everybody's doing it. It's too late. And don't wait until it starts going down. It's too late. Get in right after it starts. And you'll be okay. I hope this has helped someone. Robinhood don't look good for the future. I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now, and please subscribe to my channel. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. We're going to get through all of this stuff. I love you all. Ciao.